I'm Mrs. Kantimati, founder of Bharath Montessori School in the year 1990, and at present I'm the secretary of Bharath Group of Institutions, Ilanji. I thank Almighty for having given an opportunity for elevating us from Bharath Montessori to Bharath Group of Institutions. This institution works not only for academics but also for the holistic development for the children. We focus on all areas like sports, music, extracurricular activities, seminars for children, UPSC training for secondary level students, and Atal Lab usage for the kids, and so many can be included. Like that is how this school functions. And sports play a vital role for the kids by giving an hour training every day in the school campus. I feel very much elated to tell that our parents are so good enough to cooperate with us in order to make all our vision come true. That is the reason the school has got branched into a group of institutions. This is a juncture for us to thank each and every one of them who are with us. As staff members, if I need to quote, there are teachers with us for the last 30 years who are working along, and that itself is a great support for us as far as this institution is concerned. So my thanks to the staff members, and we have good well-wishers who are supporting us right from the beginning, and my dear and adorable parents who always support us in all the walk of our journey. I am really grateful to Almighty for having made me a teacher, and this position what I have gained today is something great in my life and in my journey. I'm thankful to God, and I thank everyone who are present in my journey, and thank you very much.